Hey guys, Vincent here. So today I'm gonna do a bit of testing for my DJI Osmo Nano. So I've seen some videos on YouTube that this device actually overheats after around 20 minutes or so if it's left recording at 4K 50 frames per second. So today I'm just going to do a test whether it's going to overheat on my car while driving. So I'm just going to shoot a POV shot and leave it running for my entire drive to work. So let's see if these things overheat. I'm already running at the latest firmware. So I'm going to shoot at 4K 50 frames per second and with a standard bitrate. So of course this test is inside the car itself with the aircon on. So yeah, so we'll see how if this device is suitable for this kind of car POV shots. So yeah, so let's see, man. Here we go. 34 minutes and still recording. Just finished the testing here. So as you can see, the POV shots on the DJI Nano Osmo was left running for around 35 minutes, and so far I didn't notice any overheating. The video just ran all the way, running, taking the footages from my office, from my home to my office. So yeah, so it works, and I'm very happy that for this kind of POV shots, especially when you're driving, there's no issue of overheating at all. So of course I was running on a 4K 50 bit per second and with a standard bit rate, and there's no issues on overheating at all with the latest firmware. It's alright. So thank you. See you guys in the next one. Do like and subscribe our channel for the next one. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye.